Thank you.
If you have something else to continue with until the tea break, perhaps that's what we should do, and
We can do that, Chair.
yes.
Can we then just deal with what happens after you lay the charges at Orlando? So that's on the 31st of October.
Okay, which page do you want me to go?
I'm asking the timeline. So on the 31st of October, you lay those charges and you get the case number immediately, the case numbers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And then we know that the very next morning, you write an email to the minister. Why did you do that?
Because, are we on the first lot of cases or the second? Because my
So the
memory is-
1st of November, let's go to the...
I'm asking if it's the Cape Town cases or the Joburg cases.
It's
Sorry.
the Joburg cases. Cape Town, I know it's such a short period, that's why you can get confused. 29th is the Cape Town. You fly to Johannesburg, and on the 31st, you open the Orlando cases, and on the 1st of November, you send, the morning of the 1st of November, you send an email to the minister via Ms. Frenchman. So that's on page 3977 of bundle 9B. 3977. It's a duplicate of your documents, but it's a clearer copy.
Yes, ma'am, I see it.
So it starts at the bottom of 3977, Sakina Frenchman to Edward Senzongkunu on the 1st of November at 8:21 a.m. Charges laid by NCC. NCC would be your party.
Yes, ma'am.
If you look at the next page, 3978, you'll see that although it's from her email address, it says regards Honorable Fadil Adams.
Yes, ma'am.
And if we then go back to 3977, it says to Minister of Police, 1, I have opened cases in the Western Cape on a number of senior SAPS personnel as per the following case dockets, as per Grand Central, and then it gives the case numbers. 2, I was told that the dockets were intercepted. Now, let's just pause there. So these are now the Cape Town dockets that you were told was intercepted. 3, in my quest for justice, I traveled to Gauteng and opened the following dockets as per Orlando SAPS, and you give the name, the numbers. 4, however, I have also been notified that the Gauteng Police Department has followed the same modus operandi as the Western Cape PC and is interfering in the investigative process. And let's pause there. Laid the charges the day before. At 8 o'clock the next morning, you know that Gauteng Police is adopting the same modus operandi. Based on what?
Again, the man with insight into these type of things.
No, Mr. Adams. You have the cast numbers now. You cannot rely on a dead man every time.
Ma'am,
It's unacceptable.
I understand your frustration. Let me explain mine to you, if you will. Please, please, just give me 1 second. I will explain it to you. So, what we all know, all of us, is that the South African Police Service covers for each other. I've been told these dockets are about to disappear. I'm going to give you an example, and please write this down.
Before you give me those examples, this is the man that says to you, go to Orlando. So he must trust Orlando. He also arranges for somebody from Orlando because he doesn't want the same thing. If we believe you, which I highly doubt that anyone does, but if we believe you that the Cape Town dockets were intercepted, you have now covered every base to make sure the Joburg dockets don't get intercepted. But the very next day you say to the minister, the same thing has happened. How is that possible? Then it must be General Lincoln and a witness G that has intercepted those dockets.
General Lincoln is in Cape Town without legs. He can't intercept a docket.
And yet he knows that the dockets have been intercepted.
This is what this man has told me. Now, if you will allow me, I will explain to you. There's a case.
So let's get this first. Let's get this first. What time did you lay your charges in Orlando?
It was was it in the morning? I think it was late morning, Chief. I think it was late morning. I caught the early flight to Joburg.
Mr. Adams, you've again said chief.
Commissioner, I apologize. It just slips out. Commissioner, Chairperson, sorry. I think it was late morning. Please.
What time did you leave? You may be referring perhaps to the time you got there. What time did you leave Orlando Police Station?
I wasn't there very long. I wasn't, maybe an hour, maybe less. I wasn't there very long.
And when you say late morning, do you mean approaching midday?
It would have been before midday if my memory serves me.
All right. Please, I just wanted to understand the timing. So
Thank you, Chair.
late morning and then 8 a.m. Mr. Adams is writing the email. No, please continue with your question.
Thank you, Chair.
Yes.
So you say that by 8 o'clock the next morning, you are in a position to say to the Minister of Police that your dockets in Johannesburg have also been intercepted.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what information are you given to make that conclusion?
If I can put it into context for you, I've laid 3 charges against 3 senior members of SAPS. I'm told the dockets are gone. I come to Johannesburg to lay the same charges. I'm told that he didn't say that it's being taken. He said they're going to try and take it again. In panic, I write to the Minister in the morning. Minister, please assist.
But that's not what you say to the Minister.
Mr. Muda, sorry to do this to you. If we go back to witness G's affidavit, what he said in paragraph 91 was that they were going to meet the following day in the afternoon. So it could not have been in the morning if what he says in his affidavit is correct.
I think it was in the morning, and I can also tell you I did not speak to witness G the day before.
No, he says when you contacted him requesting assistance, he informed you that he would be in the Orlando precinct area the following day and that you could meet with him at Orlando Police Station in the afternoon.
Can you just show me the page, please, Mr. G? I can just read it for
The
myself.
same file 3918,
3918.
paragraph 91.
No, sir. I did not contact him the day before. And
But the issue is not when you contacted him. The issue is when you met with him at the Orlando Police Station.
I still think it was the morning. But that is why I say we can refer to the docket. The docket
Are
will
you
tell us.
sure or you think? Are you sure?
We're talking about events that happened 19 months ago. It's hard for me to say it was the morning. In my head, I think it was before midday, Commissioner.
But it's possible that it could have been afternoon.
I wouldn't say it's impossible, but I still think it was in the morning.
Sorry, Mr. Muda, you may continue.
Can you go to page 3895?
38?
95. In fact, if we can go to 3899 first. And just to show you what document we're dealing with, my apologies, 3897 is the start of the document.
3897.
And you'll see that is one of the dockets, 403, 389,
I have 3897.
389.